We were recently gifted our first ever action camera, and it's right here in this box. The Insta360 GO 3 is actually the world's smallest action camera. And this is kinda it, because it comes in this action pod, but this part is the camera. It just pops right out. And this thing is great. We have been enjoying using it in the last couple of videos to get some POV shots, not just from our perspective, but also from our toddler and our kindergartner.
Daddy, look at money!
Is that money?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, look at that.
The money! He said, Daddy, good morning. Hey, don't touch me. He said, Daddy, good morning.
There are actually numerous accessories which are available, but the camera comes with this chest mount, which kind of looks like a necklace, and it is fully adjustable. We can place it onto our toddler, and then you just place it beneath the shirt, and the camera itself mounts onto the chest mount. And it will stay and get your perspective or your toddler's perspective as you vlog throughout the day. Once it's on, if we just click twice, the light turns red and it is recording. And when you click twice, it goes into free frame mode, which allows for us to record in an entire 360 degree and will allow us to convert the videos to either landscape or portrait. This can easily be done by connecting the device to a computer and then exporting the videos, and you can select whether you want to do them in landscape or in portrait. And this is great because then you can get vertical shots and landscape shots to use for different forms of video across all of your platforms. Another great feature is that as long as the camera is within reasonable distance of the action pod, then you can pick up whatever is going on the camera on the action pod. So we could start and stop the videos as long as we could keep Pierce within range. But frankly, oftentimes he would outrun us.
Go for it. Where are we going?
Mama, come on, let's see. Let me see.
The camera also goes back inside of the action pod, and you can use the action pod for all of your recording. What's really great is that it has this flip screen which can be used for selfie mode. The Insta360 camera itself is waterproof, although the action pod is not. And we have been able to use this Insta360 GO 3 camera for some recent videos at the Weeki Wachee Springs, which involves water and has a little splash pad for the kids. And Vivian was able to pick up some shots from her perspective from that adventure. And we also recently used it when we visited Rapids Water Park and rode Mega Mayhem. And we were able to wear this on ourselves while we went down the water slides. We even found that the onboard microphone was excellent in capturing our commentary as we went down the water slide. Okay, all right, there's a drop. This is a drop. This is a drop. This is a drop. Okay. Whoa, that's cold. Ah, it's cold. One pro tip at this point though would be to make sure that you are somewhat conscious of where the camera is pointing while you're terrified.
Now I know why they were screaming. It had nothing to do with it. It's getting...
This Insta360 camera has been an excellent addition to our vlogs, and we look forward to using it extensively throughout the future. The only thing that we wish is that we had actually gotten 2 of them instead of 1, because both of our kids want to use it.
There you go. Left it right on. It's a magnet. Did it just burp? Oh, that's so cool. Yeah, you get to do a video.